Welcome to a new video from the Parts channel. Well, I'm going to make a short video, but that I find very interesting, answering a question that you have left me, a person who has a Peugeot van with an HDI engine, and a few days ago he started to lose power and the engine failure light came on. He took it to the workshop and in the workshop they told him that the MAF sensor, the flow meter, was failing. So what they did was change it, but not only was the problem not solved, but now, with the new flow meter, they are also experiencing an EGR error. They have told him that he should change the EGR, because it could be bad too. So they have installed another new EGR, and the problems continue, and he tells me it's a bit desperate, and the workshop doesn't know what to do. Let's see, in these engines, especially the HDI ones, although you can find this problem in other engines. These failures, think that they are generic failures. The ECU it is a computer, and it has programming, so for this reason, generic failures can cover up the failure of another part. In these engines these failures can simply be due to the MAP sensor being dirty. Simply the MAP sensor, of course. In fact, we have seen it on many occasions. The P0400 faults usually appear, the one from the EGR, but the one that most often appears is P0401, accompanied by P0103. And it is not because these parts fail, it is because the ECU, since it does not detect any specific problem, that is, it detects a problem in the engine, but it is not an electrical problem, it does not know which part is failing. And due to its programming, it begins to blame other parts, and in the most of the time, simply cleaning the inside of the MAP sensor, which in these engines, in addition to measuring the pressure, also calculates the air temperature, because it has the IAT sensor built in, and once cleaned, it is normally solved. The problem, well, here I leave you this short video. If it has been useful to you, then don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel.